Moving on, the United States has sent doses of an experimental Ebola drug to DR Congo for clinical trials as the outbreak continues to spread. The move marks a shift from Washington's earlier stance of reserving the treatment to Americans only. After cutting aid to Africa, the U.S. is now offering limited help to contain the Ebola outbreak. Officials warn this could become the worst outbreak in history. The U.S. Health Department said the experimental drug will be used in Congo for emergency treatment and clinical trials. However, it did not disclose how many doses will be sent. Officials say the trial could help pave the way for future U.S. approval of the drug. And amid this outbreak, Kenya has ordered a halt to preparations for a U.S.-run Ebola quarantine facility.
Notwithstanding the foregoing, and in recognition of the authority of this Honorable Court, I have directed the immediate and complete cessation of any intended construction, site preparations, or related activities concerning Laikipia Air Base facility, pending the hearing and determination of the substantive petition or until further orders of this court.
Currently, there are no approved vaccines or treatments for the Bundibugyo strain of Ebola, which has infected over 1,000 people and killed more than 250 in Congo. Now, cases have also been reported in Uganda, and meanwhile, France has confirmed its first case of Ebola. French Health Ministry says the virus has been identified in a doctor returning from a humanitarian mission in the DRC. He is undergoing treatment in a specialized facility and is currently stable. WION's Louisa Olani has sent us this report with more on this story from Lagos, Nigeria.
As the world takes action to seek vaccine for the latest Ebola outbreak, the U.S. has stepped up its response by providing doses of an experimental antibody drug developed by MAP Biopharma for use in clinical trials on the ground. WHO said the trials of the USA MAP drug and 2 Gilead Science antivirals are due to begin in the coming weeks. This marks a policy shift, as the U.S. had previously reserved the treatment known as MBP 134 mainly for Americans at high risk. While vaccines and treatments are in development, experts stress the urgency as cases continue to rise. From Lagos, Nigeria, Louisa Olani. WION World is One.